This 2021 Tiffin Wayfarer 25RW is a Class C RV. It is located in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, 73127 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Oklahoma City. This used Tiffin is 25 feet 7 inches in length and features one slide-out, sleeps 6, auxiliary battery, air conditioning, TV, stove-top burner, water heater, microwave, oven, awning, skylight, smoke detector, and 38 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab, front entertainment, outdoor entertainment, rear bath. This 2021 Tiffin Wayfarer 25RW is built on a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 3500 chassis and is powered by a Mercedes-Benz engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by McClain's RV Oklahoma City, visit RVUSA.com.